Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is All Things Mia, and today I have for you how to start your crochet chain and your single crochet stitches. I have right here a H hook and a ball of yarn that I had laying around. If you would like to follow along, grab your yarn. Grab your yarn and your hook and follow along. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, now that you have your yarn and your hook, there's a few ways that you can start your crochet chain. One way is to take the yarn, wrap it around your finger, grab your hook, put it through, and make a knot. Pull it tightly. That's one way. Another way is do a simple knot. That's how you start your basic crochet chain. This is how I usually start my chain. It's easier for me just to tie a basic knot. The next step is to wrap your yarn around your hook and pull through your first loop. Again, you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook and pull through the first loop. I'm going to do a couple of these to get a decent length before we start the single crochet stitch. Wrap your yarn around your hook, pull through the loop. Wrap it and pull. Wrap it and pull. Wrap and pull. So here we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches, 9 chains should I say. We're going to do one more for 10. Here you have 10 chains for your basic crochet chain stitch. Now in order to start our single crochet, we're going to do one more, just one more. And you're going to, now that 10th stitch that we had a few minutes ago, we're going to insert our hook into that chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, wrap the yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's their basic single crochet stitch. Again, you're going to insert your hook inside of that chain stitch that we just created, grab the yarn, wrap over, and pull through. Insert, grab, wrap, pull through. Insert, grab, wrap, and pull through. I'm going to continue this all the way over to the end for your single crochet row. Insert, grab, wrap around, pull through. Insert, grab, wrap around, pull through, and continue. This is our last stitch. Wrap around and pull through. Here you have your single crochet and your chain stitch. Here we have 10 single crochets on our 10 chain stitch row. How to go to the next row in single crochet is to chain up 1, which is wrapping the yarn around your hook and pulling through. That's a chain. Turning your work, and now we're going to work our way back across. So you insert the hook into this stitch, grab the yarn, wrap around, pull through. Insert, grab, wrap around, pull through. Insert, grab, wrap around, and pull through. And you'll continue that all the way down till you get to the end of your row. Insert, grab, wrap around, pull through. Slow it down a little bit. Insert, grab, wrap around and pull through, insert, grab, wrap around, pull through. Now if you notice and if you can see, when I insert the hook, I'm turning it a little bit to grab the yarn, then I'm pulling it out and turning it back up, wrapping around, and then turning it again, pull through. So it's all like the motion of your wrist. Insert, grab, wrap around, pull through. We're at the last stitch. We're going to insert, grab, wrap around, and pull through. Quick little easy 2 rows of single crochet and your chain stitches, and that's how you do it. So now that we have completed our single crochet stitching and our basic chain stitching, I'm going to be doing a series on the next couple of stitches that are very vital in doing crocheting. We have the half double crochet, single crochet, treble crochet, and a lot more stitching. I do plan on doing videos on how to do those stitches in the future. Actually, I do have the half double crochet video coming very soon. Half double crochet is pretty much a single crochet, but a little step higher, adds a little length to your stitching. That video will be coming very soon. If this video was helpful for you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and be prepared for the next coming ones because I have videos coming, I promise. So until next time, thank you for watching All Things Mia, and I'll see you next time. Bye.